Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our general English class. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing your work accordingly, completing your books, and keeping them up to date. Now, today in this particular video, we are going to learn about past tense. We have already seen that there are three types of tenses: present, past, and future. Each tense has four subtypes. We have already learnt about that. Today we will be discussing past tense in detail. So students, let us start with past tense. What is past tense? It tells us about the action which has already taken place. That means the action which has already occurred is said to be in the past tense. Now firstly we have simple past tense. In the simple past tense, we add d or ed to the base form of the verb. That means if we add d or ed, we get the past tense, simple past tense of that particular verb. There are some verbs in which if we add d or ed, we get the simple past tense. But there are some other verbs in which we need to change the spelling. The total change in the spelling occurs during the formation of simple past tense. Okay? So such kind of verbs in which d or ed is added to make a simple past tense is said to be regular verbs, and those verbs which change the total spelling of the verb in order to make simple past tense are said to be irregular verbs. So students, what do you understand? You need to understand that while formation of simple past tense, we have regular as well as irregular verbs. तो regular verbs क्या होती है? जिसके अंदर डी या ईडी ऐड कर लिया तो वो हो जाती है रेगुलर वर्ब्स, हमको मिल जाता है पास्ट टेंस. सिर्फ डी और ईडी ऐड करने से जब पास्ट टेंस मिल जाता है तो दैट इज सेड टू बी अ रेगुलर वर्ब. इफ वी ऐड d or ed but we don't get the past tense, that means we need to change the whole spelling. Either the change in the spelling occurs और इट डज़ नॉट चेंज एट ऑल. तो ऐसी भी कुछ वर्ब्स होती है जो चेंज करनी पड़ती है टोटली, या तो उसमें स्पेलिंग का चेंज नहीं भी होता है. ठीक है, तो ऐसी जो वर्ब्स है जिसमें डी और ईडी नहीं लगाना है वो होती है इरेग्युलर वर्ब्स. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज रेगुलर वर्ब एंड व्हाट इज इरेग्युलर वर्ब. रेगुलर वर्ब मतलब डी और ईडी लगेगा, पास्ट टेंस मिलेगा. ओके. इरेग्युलर वर्ब्स मतलब उसका पूरा स्पेलिंग चेंज होगा तभी हमको पास्ट टेंस मिलेगा. अंडरस्टूड? Let me read out the example so you can understand better. For example, if the past tense is formed by adding d or ed, then it is a regular verb. Example, want becomes wanted, bake becomes baked, right? But if the past tense is formed by changing the spelling of the verb, then it is called as irregular verb. For example, see becomes saw. There is a change in the spelling. S-double-E changes to S-A-W. T-E-L-L tell becomes T-O-L-D told. So such kind of change occurs in the verbs, and then such kind of verbs are said to be irregular verbs. Okay. How to form negative sentences and questions in the simple past tense? So now the question arises, you are having textbook exercises in which you are supposed to make negatives as well as questions, right? तो पहले हम देखते हैं कि हम negative कैसे बनाएंगे simple past tense में. When it is a simple past tense, you need to use did. जैसे हम प्रेजेंट टेंस में डू और डज यूज़ करते थे, डू फॉर प्लूरल, डज फॉर सिंगुलर, सिमिलरली यहाँ पे डिड यूज़ होता है. सबके साथ डिड यूज़ होगा. एवरी टाइम वी विल यूज़ डिड. डिड प्लस नॉट, दैट विल गिव यू अ नेगेटिव. पर डिड कब यूज़ करना है वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी. और प्लस इफ़ यू हैव वॉज और वर इन द सेंटेंस तो आपको वॉज और वर के बाजू में नॉट लगाना है. सिंपल, वॉज नॉट, वर नॉट, एंड यू विल गेट द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. अंडरस्टूड? So students, what you will be using to form negatives and questions? You will be using did, was and were in order to form negative. Did plus not, was plus not, and were plus not. And when you are supposed to form the question, did, was and were will be used as the question word. Now let us move ahead. How you will be forming the negatives. Firstly, we need to find out the verb. Every time the first thing you are supposed to do is find out the verb. सबसे पहला काम होता है अपन वर्ब फाइंड करेंगे. वर्ब फाइंड करेंगे एंड देन व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल ब्रेक द वर्ब. वर्ब को ब्रेक करेंगे. ब्रेक करेंगे मतलब विल ब्रेक इट इनटू टू पार्ट्स. वी विल ऐड डिड एंड फॉर्म बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड देन वी विल ब्रेक द वर्ब. Okay, and after that we will add not and we will make the negative. Let me read out examples so that you can understand better. The first example I have written is, I brought a book yesterday. Here the verb is brought. Brought matlab मैं एक book लेके आई, right? So brought is the verb which is in the past tense. Now we will break it. How we'll break it? We'll add did. When we add did, we have to change it into the base form of the verb. Bring का past tense होता है brought, तो वो base form आ जाएगा वापस. Did plus bring will be the breaking of that particular verb in the past tense. Okay. So brought gets converted into did plus bring, right? So our sentence, that is the negative sentence, becomes, I did not bring a book yesterday. Similarly, the next example is, he sold his car last month. Sold. Sold is the past tense of sell. So we will add did plus sell. So our verb is broken into two parts, did plus sell, and then we will make the negative. He did not sell his car last month. Okay, that's how you will be using did in order to make a negative sentence. Once you have was or were, it's very easy. was or were होता है तो आपको कुछ break भी नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है, just have to add not. If we have was or were, we will add not after it to make a negative. For example, I was happy with the gift, I was not happy with the gift. क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो verb होता है ना, वो already base form में ही होता है, तो खाली not लगाना होता है. But जब past tense में verb होता है, past tense में verb होगा, तब आप क्या use करोगे स्टूडेंट्स? did plus base form of the verb use करके आप negative बनाओगे. ये भूलना नहीं है. brought है तो हो जाएगा did bring, taken है तो did take, walked है तो did walk, slept है तो did sleep. इस तरीके से आपको चेंज करके बनाना है. Understood this much? The main thing is how you are going to use did प्लस द बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और वो कब होगा? जब वॉज और वर नहीं होगा सेंटेंस में. वंस वी हैव वॉज और वर के बाजू में नॉट लगा देंगे, नेगेटिव बन जाएगा. इट्स वेरी इजी. लेकिन अगर वॉज और वर नहीं है, मतलब वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में है, then what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to break it into two. We are supposed to add did plus the base form of the verb, and then we are supposed to make the negative. Understood? So in this way you will be forming negatives in the simple past tense. Now let us move ahead to the question part. How you will form a question in the simple past tense, that we will be studying ahead. Okay, so let us start with that part. How to make questions in simple past tense? We use did, was or were as question words while making a question from a sentence in the simple past tense. Simple past tense में अगर कोई question है तो हमें क्या use करना है? did, was और were use करना है as question words. मतलब वो सबसे पहले आएंगे. Firstly, pick out the verb. If it is in the past tense, break it by adding did and then make the question. If the sentence has was or were in it, was or were will be used to frame the questions. तो डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? यहाँ पे भी सेम करना है. वर्ब पकड़ना है. वर्ब अगर पास्ट टेंस में है तो उसमें डिड ऐड करके उसको ब्रेक करना है. ब्रेक कर लिया, उसके बाद में डिड से हमें क्वेश्चन बनाना शुरू करना है. देखो एग्जाम्पल्स देखो. ही सोल्ड हिज बाइक. सोल्ड को हम ब्रेक करेंगे तो हो जाएगा डिड सेल. अब डिड आगे जाएगा, बाकी सेंटेंस हमें बनाना है. डिड ही सेल हिज बाइक? एट द एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. Similarly, the second example, Rekha spoke to Ram yesterday. Okay, so spoke will become did plus speak. तो did आगे जाएगा. Did Rekha speak to Ram yesterday? Okay, next one is he was an artist. was आया, मतलब हमें कुछ did ऐड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब was आता है तो did ऐड नहीं होता, did होता है तो was नहीं आता है. Okay, so हमारा सेंटेंस कैसे बनेगा? Was he an artist? They were all soldiers. Were आया, so were will go ahead. Were they all soldiers? And at the end question mark. So it's very easy. Once you understand the concept, everything is clear to you. You'll be able to do all the exercise by yourself without any kind of difficulty. बस याद रखना है कि आपको कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ पे यूज़ करनी है. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में did, was और were आएगा. क्वेश्चन बनाते टाइम में did, was और were आगे चला जाएगा, पीछे क्वेश्चन मार्क आएगा. नेगेटिव बनाते वक्त वॉज और वर के बाजू में नॉट लिख दोगे, नेगेटिव बन जाएगा। और जब आपको नेगेटिव बनाना है और सेंटेंस पास्ट टेंस में है, वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में है, तो आप वर्ब को ब्रेक करोगे, डिड प्लस बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब बनाओगे और फिर डिड नॉट प्लस वर्ब लगा के आपका नेगेटिव बनाओगे। ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड टू द पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। Past continuous tense is formed by using the structure was or were plus verb plus ing। ये सब हमने पढ़ा हुआ है स्टूडेंट्स। was और were plus verb plus ing जब हम यूज़ करेंगे तब हम कौन सी टेंस बना रहे हैं? Past continuous tense। So here student, was is used for singular and were is used for plural. Now how to frame negatives and questions in the present continuous tense? It's very easy. Just add not next to was or were. For example read करूँगी, आपको पता चल जाएगा। I was eating a cake. I was not eating a cake. She was dancing on the stage. She was not dancing on the stage. They were talking loudly on ground. They were not talking loudly on ground. We were planning for a tour. We were not planning for a tour। तो क्या किया? was और were के बाजू में खाली not लगाया और बाकी सेंटेंस लिखा, तो हमारा नेगेटिव बन गया। अंडरस्टूड? नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड टू द क्वेश्चन पार्ट। क्वेश्चन बनाना भी वेरी इजी है पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में। कैसे? सी, how to form questions in the past continuous tense? We make questions in the past continuous tense by putting was or were before the subject। was और were आगे आएगा, बाकी सारा सेंटेंस पीछे जाएगा और एट द एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क लगेगा। ठीक है, अब इसमें चेंजेस क्या होते हैं ना, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है। यू नीड टू रिमेंबर द चेंजेस विच आर गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस। सी, आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर राम। तो यहाँ पे आई हमारा सब्जेक्ट है और वॉज हमारा वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, बराबर। वॉज वेटिंग इज द टोटल वर्ब, वॉज इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब। तो वॉज आगे जाएगा, तो मैंने वर क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि आई हमेशा कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा यू में। व्हेन यू फ्रेम अ क्वेश्चन आई विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू यू। सो हमारा सेंटेंस कैसे, हमारा क्वेश्चन कैसे बनेगा? I was waiting. Were you waiting for Ram? At the end question mark. I is changed to you and whenever we use you we are supposed to use were with you। you के साथ में कभी भी was नहीं यूज होता है, were ही यूज होता है। इसलिए I was reading a book. Were you reading a book? They were clicking pictures. Were they clicking pictures? We were running to catch a butterfly. Were they running to catch a butterfly? देखो changes देखो। Zina was sleeping in the class. Was Zina sleeping in the class? So in this way students we will be forming the questions in the past continuous tense। Okay, now we'll move ahead to past perfect tense and past perfect continuous। Past perfect tense is formed by using the structure had plus past participle of the verb, and past perfect continuous tense is formed by using the structure had plus been plus verb plus ing। Okay, I'll read out the examples and you will be able to understand how to frame negatives and questions। For example, Arun had been learning a poem। had के बाद में not ऐड कर दो, नेगेटिव हो जाएगा। Arun had not been learning a poem। had Arun been learning a poem? Okay, that's the question। had आगे चला गया, बाकी सब पीछे आ गया, at the end question mark लग गया। The children had been playing cricket। the children had not been playing cricket। had the children been playing cricket? Okay, so students, in this way you will be forming the questions and negatives as I have instructed you। you need to learn these all things। that's all for today students। learn everything, learn all these rules, go through the PDF, go through the video। this will help you out in proper formation and in a proper framing of all the sentences in particular tenses। that's all for today, see you all very soon।